All right, so this is the BestArc, and this is their MIG 145. This is the 9th gen, the newest generation. Now we have this thing maxed out at 125 right now. We're on 1/4 inch plate, and this is my nephew Trevor. Trevor, how old are you?
15.
Lift your mask up, say hi to everyone. You're 15. Have you ever welded before? No. You ever held a welding torch before? Never. All right. So I just showed him that we're using flux core right now, and I just showed him just a couple little beads here just to give him an idea watching me. So this will be the first time that he's welding. Let's get over here. All right, Trevor. So you're going to start over here. You're going to stand your torch up vertical like that, and you're going to weld. You're going to do just slight overlapping circles, not breaking the path. So your head got to get way lower and pointing sideways. Your head got to keep going down, turning sideways. Yeah, you need to be looking into that arc. So go for it. Some pretty big circles you're making. All right, let's see what we got though. All right, so keep your gloves on and scrub all the flux off. All right, so you were moving real fast and making real big circles. So get that all cleaned up. Go right beside it, and let's slow way down on our movement. All right, we're in no hurry to move. We're just gonna real slow, steady circles. I wonder if can I get my phone? No, that won't work. All right, let's see what that did. Well, it's starting to tighten up. Still a little bit fast, a little bit of crazy motion. You can see how there's like spots where you didn't, like there's missing weld. So we got to slow down even more. Okay, so go right between them now. Well, we need the MIG pliers. Hold on. All right, so we're going to slow down even more. What's that? It's underneath there on the plasma, I believe. I wasn't watching your head. Were you able to get your head down and see that arc happening?
Yeah, a little bit.
Well, you got to get it a lot of bit. Like you got to be watching. You should see that wire, see the arc coming from it, see the puddle. So which one was that?
That was this one.
That's really good. That one there. That's what you're looking for. All right. Go between them and do it again. Scrub that a little bit more. Hold that. Okay, go between them. Do that again. That's exactly what you're trying to look for. This is the BestArc 145 Generation 9.
You want me to go in between them?
Yep, go right between them. All right, let's see how that one looked. It doesn't look bad at all, Trevor. There you go.
I slipped right here a little bit.
Yeah, you can see. I can see your motion right in the center of the screen, right there. Let's see if they can see it. But yeah, you kind of jumped ahead of yourself a little bit.
Come out again, bud.
That's all right. You can cut it off. But go again. All right. Pre-clean, it looks good. Looks like you're gonna clean it and see a nice looking weld out of that. So you're 5 minutes into your welding career. So as of right now, what would your opinion be on how difficult it would be for a new user to buy a BestArc 145 MIG?
Not that hard.
Not that hard. Because you're getting her figured out pretty quick, right? What's that? So there you go. We're going to end this video, but this is just showing somebody that never has held a MIG torch in their life, never has welded any technique in his life, probably has never watched somebody actually weld before, and in 5 minutes he's putting down beads that don't look bad at all. And this is Flux core, and we might reconfigure the machine into a solid core gas MIG and have him go ahead and run a bead like that and see how it works out. All right, thanks guys. Hey, like and subscribe, please. Do me that favor, it helps.